What's up guys? Today we're gonna test drive this bright yellow RC boat, and I think you're gonna love this video because we're testing it at a new location. Look at this pond, isn't that awesome? Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia has joined us today. She's hanging out bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, having a lot of fun. Popeye's back at home, unfortunately. We had to beat the rain. It's gonna rain. We're trying to do this fast. We have like a half-hour window of opportunity. Next time Popeye will come with us. But we're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Guys, we have over 1,400 videos of family-friendly RC content, so please subscribe if you'd like to. We'd love to see you again on the channel. Today, we're gonna drive this RC boat for you to show you what it can do. I think it's awesome that it's WLtoys. We love WLtoys RC stuff. And look at this awesome spot we have to drive. Oh, I see a big fish in there. We might have to come back with a fishing pole. But today, we do have permission from our friend Josh, an airfield
we flew down there. Now we're gonna boat up here.
Yes, he gave us permission to be here, so this is really close to home for us. I think we'll be back here. It is starting to rain, so let's power this thing on.
You need to address what that is.
Oh.
Because it's crazy.
For birds.
Yeah.
Some people might know what that is. I don't know exactly.
I've never seen that before.
I'm not sure exactly what kind of bird stays in there, but it is a very specific kind of bird. They're safe when they're in there, and I think they eat mosquitoes and things, which is probably why they put them here. So
cool.
That is nice, yeah.
Sorry,
okay.
Distracted.
A little bit of rain, but this should be a lot of fun. So let's power this on and drive this awesome bright yellow boat. Awesome, except my trim is off.
Nice. Ooh, reverse. That's always good.
Thank goodness, because it was going to drift.
Oh, I'm sinking.
Well, I noticed when I started to drive, it was going to. I didn't have any left, so I just wanted to make sure I trimmed it up. Okay, now we go. They're nice and straight, so that's good. I didn't have any left-hand turn, and I didn't want to get out there and get in trouble. Make sure we're nice and trimmed.
Look how pretty this pond is.
I like this pond a lot. I hope it doesn't grow up too much this summer because we'll be back here more.
Is this full throttle?
No, I'm just making sure I've got... That's full throttle. There we go.
Perfect speed for a pond this size.
I think so. I feel like it should be going a little faster. I feel like I might be getting bogged down by stuff, so let me just bring it in. That's full throttle, and I think I am getting bogged down, so let's bring it in. While I have any amount of speed, there's definitely something holding me back here, so
maybe a fish is eating it. Wouldn't that be crazy if like a fish just jumped up and was like, ah?
It would be crazy. Yeah, I'm definitely bogged down.
It's all
not much.
It's not much.
Oh, here too, this little thing has come out, and it maybe have some little drag. I think I've got some drag issues there. That's probably what the issue was. That was just causing a lot of drag, and we'll see if that fixes it. Oh wow, there, it's starting to pick up some speed, but
it's a little faster.
A little faster. We've had some better boats on the channel, I know, but this is not bad for a little pond, and what a great way to get back into boat season, right?
With a new location.
New location. I'm really happy about this. Yeah, I think that little rubber stopper had come out. I think it was already out when we put it in the water, and that was causing enough drag to make it hard to drive, but this is awesome. I'm going to be quiet so you guys can hear this for a minute or two. Now, this is a water-cooled RC boat, so it's sucking up water in the bottom. There's a little nozzle that takes water in and shoots it out on the side. It's actually on its left side, so when I drive by here again, you should be able to see that. I'll get a little slower so we get a nice tighter turn, and hopefully when we go by, I feel like I'm just getting some drag again. It's really acting. Look at that, that's full throttle.
Yeah.
There's something funky going on here. Okay, let me grab that boat.
That's kind of scary.
Keeping an eye on. Now, I don't know what's going on here. There's not, look at this grass here. There's not enough grass on that boat to cause that much drag. So I really don't know why.
Is there water in it?
There is a little water in there, yes. And it's probably because of our...
We didn't bring tape today.
Not a ton, but we'll see if it does any better. Now look, I want to show you, the water gets sucked up into this little hole in the back. That's the water cooling intake system. And it runs through and it cools off your motor and then it shoots out the side through that hose. Now we have a perfectly distributed weight system in here. So it's kind of, I'm a little curious why it's running like that, because to be honest, we've had boats that just do perform better than this. And every time I bring it in, even through that algae on the edge, I'm not seeing anything really bogging this thing down. So Abby, I think you should definitely give it a shot.
Okay.
And what we'll do, guys, I want you to see Abby drive. Maybe she'll do a lot better than me. Okay, Abby's at the controls. Oh yeah, well look at you. You're already doing better than me.
That's just full throttle.
It is full throttle.
I do see it, like in the middle of the lake, there is like grass.
Yeah, there's some floating. There's some floating algae and grass. But,
yeah.
But it's not on the boat when we bring it into shore.
Full throttle again.
Yeah. I don't get it. I think
we've no left.
Well then just kind of reverse a little bit.
I'm stuck in a right turn.
Oh no.
I can't turn left.
Have we lost the boat? Well, here, we can get it. You just got to play with reverse a little bit, okay? You want me to see what I can do?
No, I'll get it.
There you go. See, just easy on reverse because it sucks it down under. And then, yeah, there you go. You're getting it. You got it. You got it. Bring it in. Bring it in.
Yeah, look, it's dragging something.
I see. There's a stick. You picked up a stick. Ah, good job.
Yeah, the stick fell off, but...
Well, what do you guys think? Is this the RC boat, or do you think it's the location? Personally, I think it's the RC boat because there's really not that much stuff out here in the water, and we've definitely seen on our channel a lot of other boats that perform way better. We're gonna keep driving this, but what I highly recommend you guys do is go check out some of our other RC boats on the channel. We'll have them carded throughout this video, so if you're in the market for an RC boat, check those out. Also, at the end of this video, we'll have a recommended video right at the end screen. Right when you see the fun cartoon of us in the boat on the ocean and everything, you can click that video of a highly recommended boat in the same price range as this. Guys, as not to lose this boat, I think we're gonna call it quits here at this pond. We're gonna test this pond more in the future on our channel, so subscribe and tune in and we'll find out if it's the pond that's causing the issues or if we just had a bad boat. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!